In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record rental income in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing a single property or a portfolio of them, QuickBooks Online can streamline your process. Let's dive in and take it step by step, ensuring clarity and ease as you learn to navigate this process. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks website. If you're not sure how to get there, simply perform a Google search for QuickBooks Online and you'll find the link to the official site. Once the web page loads, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner. Clicking here will take you to the login page where you'll enter your QuickBooks account credentials. Enter your details carefully to ensure you access the correct account. After a successful login, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks Online dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the Transactions tab in the menu on the left-hand side. Click on it, and within this section, look for Chart of Accounts. This is where you'll manage all your financial records and create new accounts for different income types. Now, you need to add a new account specifically for your rental income. So, on the Chart of Accounts page, you'll see an option to create a new account. Click on it to start the process of recording your rental income. In the fields provided, type rental income as the account name. This helps in distinctly categorizing the income earned from your rental properties. Next, choose the type of account. For rental income, you'll select income as the account type. Click on it to proceed. The next field prompts you to select a detail type. Here, sales of product income is a suitable option. It may seem counterintuitive, but in QuickBooks, this helps facilitate the income tracking for tax and reporting purpose. Once you've selected sales of product income, move on to adding a tax code. This step is crucial if your rental income is subject to tax. You'll have a list of tax codes to choose from, so pick the one that applies to your rental income most accurately. Now, to maintain clarity and avoid confusion later, it's a good idea to type a brief description for your account. Think of it as a note to yourself or others who might view this account later. Enter a description that is simple yet descriptive enough to get the point across. Finally, don't forget to save all the information you have input so far. Click on the Save button to ensure all your settings and new account details are securely stored in QuickBooks Online. And there you have it. You've just learned how to record rental income in QuickBooks Online. With these steps, managing rental income becomes simpler and more organized. Keep practicing to maintain accuracy and efficiency. Thank you for joining me, and keep exploring the possibilities with QuickBooks to optimize your financial management.